Hi, I will show you a back case for Apple iPhone 12, new Apple iPhone of 2020. This is the Apple iPhone 12, 6.1 inches screen size display, and the case from Supcase. Very nice design, original Supcase, and in green color for iPhone 12 or even 12 Pros, which they have same screen size. Nice green and clear back color so that you can still see your iPhone blue color or whatever color you chose for your iPhone 12 Pro. Supcase from Supcase, and you can visit them on YouTube, subscribe, official website, Twitter and Facebook. This is the case. Let's take it out. Nice, beautiful. We try, and it's very easy to install in a few seconds. That's it, done. And you see now your iPhone 12 color. And also at the side for charging, power button and volume up and down. Only need to take it out when you want to remove and insert new SIM card, and again easy to take it out. Take it out, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.